Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows keeps freezing randomly on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Today we are going to see 5 solution for it guys. You guys need to apply all solution in your computer. You definitely see the changes after doing it. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type File Explorer. Just open it, File Explorer. On left side go to this PC. You just need to right click on the local disk C, right click on it and go to properties. On properties you just need to go to tools tab over here, and error checking you just need to check error in here guys. Click on it. And scan drive, you can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them or not. Click it guys, and that scanning on turned on. It's about take 5 minutes or 10 minutes guys. Wait for it. After finishing this scan guys, Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. If you have any error, this will be help you to fix it guys. Close out of here and click OK, and close the out of the File Explorer. Also go to search menu and type, let's move on to the next step guys. For that, go to search menu and type virus threat protection. Virus threat protection, open it. In here you need to click on quick scan, and it will scan and definitely cure your problems. Every files will be scanned over here guys. And minimize out of here and go to search menu. Let's move on to the third step guys. Search menu and type cmd command prompt, and you just need to click on run as administrator over here guys. Wait for it. It's the file is checking, that's why it gets late. Click on run as administrator and click yes. Now in here you need to type sfc space slash SCANNOW guys. sfc space slash SCANNOW, press enter. Now this command will be scanning for all system files, looking for any kinds of integrity violation. Wait for it guys to complete 100%, and after that get finish, we just need to close out of here and let's move on to the next step guys. Wait for it to get percentage. Being verification base of system scan verification, this 1% need to get 100%. After finishing this, you just need to close out of here guys. Before that, don't be close out of here. Wait for it to complete it. I'm just closing now. Let's move on to the next step, that your system has been set to high performance or not. Let's check it guys. Go to search menu and type POWER power cfg.cpl power cfg.cpl. click on it. Here will opens up control panel item. In here I just selected balanced mode guys. You just want to select show additional plans here and select high performance guys. Favors high performance but may use more energy. This can be good for gamings and other performance will increases guys. And after selecting this, close out of here. Let's move on to the fourth step of my video. Go to search menu and type settings. Just open it. In settings, in system, you just need to scroll down, go to storage option over here, and in here you need to storage sends automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage local available cloud content. You just need to turn it on guys. After that, here will be shown guys every temporary files and everything else will be shown here. You can easily find it and delete it guys. System served and something get junk files will be get here. in temporary files, you just need to click on it and delete it, guys. I'm getting loading. Let's wait for it. I don't have any temporary files. I just cleared it before, guys. That's why I'm not getting any temporary files. You just need to click on the temporary files and remove files. Click on it and that will be removed all your temporary files in here, guys. You can select downloads temporary files, every unwanted junk files, guys. You just want to select it, everything. If it is all junk only, don't be panic over here. And after selecting this, click remove files and click continue. And after finishing this, close out of here, guys. Let's move on to the final step of my video. Go to search menu and type services and just open it. Services. Open it, guys. In here you need to search for SYS system main properties. SYN main properties. You just need to click on anything here and type S in keyboard, and you easily found the SYS main properties. You just need to stop it. If that is running on your computer, you just need to stop it and click disabled over here and apply and okay. That's it for today's video, guys. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. Now your problem has been resolved, guys. Now after restarting your PC, you will definitely see the changes of your computer speed, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.